Okay, okay, okay. Got the little soupies. Las sopas. We're gonna call these sopas. Dang, there's a whole bunch of these. Yeah, you know how it goes. We gotta keep it pushed. Sheesh. Yo, there's like 100 soupies over here. Check what? Yeah, we gotta walk fast over here. It's almost time to go. So a bunch of little Supras. Side to side. Oh, damn, RX 240? No, 2 something. I forgot. That's nice. I like that. Oh yeah, this is an old school Supra. Yes, sir. Super. Woo. That's hard right there. Everybody just want to stand there and not look at it. Everybody just standing there. Yeah, I'm trying to record it. Ooh. And we got the puppy out here. You feel me? Hot doggo. This is dope.
The glass.
Push. Jesus. I don't know.
They should be that way.
They look good though. Que lo que? Dímelo, loco. I like that. It's nice though.
They got so much space up there.
Yeah, it is. Oh, my bad, Brody. Like that. Y'all know how I am. I like everything that looks different. Woo, shit. Like that too. I like this specific I like right here. The SI joint. Yes, sir. Oh, we got that Cobra. Diablo. This is nice. Sheesh. Nice. Let's check this lineup up. The Hellkeys, Hemis, all the above. Excuse me, Power. Yo estoy caminando en esta línea. Sheesh. Well, I haven't seen one of these in God knows when. This is hard.
If you want here, I definitely got it.
This is crazy. That's in a Cobra. One of the original Cobras. That's what it looked like. Nah, I'm about to tell you something about this. This is hard. This is hard, y'all. Not one, but two. Got two of these. Sheesh. Gotta send it to you. This is where it's at, B. Sheesh. Man, check out these BBS's, man. This car just clean overall. E-Class. Sheesh, big body. Look at this pink lip right here. Pink lip. Oh, I like this little Chevy. And of course, I like my Civic. Like that. Oh, this is a paint job. Oh, that's hard. Man, listen, I like that. Old school forward. You definitely don't see these every day. Volkswagen, wagon. Oh, it's a two-door? What? And it's stick shift. I like this. Jeez, sorry for the shadows. And he's on them bags too. Damn, kid, Silverado. I like that. Damn. Okay. Like that. Did the Pontiac? Alright. And he's on the Fat Boys too, look. This is nice Pontiac. GTO. We got a couple of them. You already know. Sheesh. That's crazy. Dang. I like this right here. Nice, simple. Y'all check this out right here. Like that. I like these, man. I don't know. Your boy might be getting one. Let's see what the future holds. Oh, snap. Out here drifting. Sheesh. Sheesh. Purple dot.
2 months ago, I finally got something new, but now it means I have time to put into it and actually get with things. Yeah, that's why it's like, okay.
Sheesh. Damn. This shit is crazy. Oh. That's how he feel? That Mustang engine.
Is it?
Yes. crazy too. I'm gonna walk this way. This motherfucker clean. Damn. Damn, this is clean. I like that.
The grove to get a little tipsy. Find me a bitty for licky. I just got in a whole brand new bag. I'm rolling around like I missed it. Elliot, jewelry moving like juice. Keep knocking out gold, then it hit me. Look, I just leveled up, I think.